Hi everyone, I want to show a very important tool in Rhino 5, which is the GUMBALL. It's a quick introduction. It's a great tool. It's right here along this line, GUMBALL. And when I have this on, I have this GUMBALL appear on objects and I can manipulate them without the commands. So I can move if I click and drag on the axis. And you see it has grips for rotation also and scale in different axes. And these are the scale. Now it's a great way if some of you are used to 3ds Max or something like that. Great tool, and you can work with precision with it. If I click here on the axis, just click, I can write a distance to get this cube to move. I click the Z axis, I go 10 up, and you see this other grip here where I can move it on this plane. I can move this cube on this plane. And every time I turn the view, you can see that it changes place and it lets me move the object in another plane, like moving in two axes. The options for GUMBALL are right here in this white circle. If I click here, it's like a right click for GUMBALL. I can align it, I can relocate it, etc. And it's great to get GUMBALL and sub-object selection. Now sub-object selection, as you can see, this is a closed extrusion, closed poly surface. Let me explode and join. And sub-object means I can get to work in one surface on this poly surface without exploding it. So if I click Control Shift and click on this object, you can see that I can get a sub-object out of it without exploding it, without removing it. But I can manipulate it and move the rest of the object with it if I click here on the axis. Again, Control Shift, I click, and then I release, and then I can drag it and get the rest of the object along. Another cool thing of the GUMBALL, of the sub-object selection, is I can manipulate edges. If I click Control Shift and click an edge, you see that I can get this sub-object also, and I can drag it and get the rest of the surfaces with it. Now it has some limitations, but it's great for quick transformations that would be more time consuming with the simple commands. And as we clicked on an axis and gave a distance, we can click on the rotation axis and give an angle in degrees. You see it rotated 90 degrees around the z-axis. And we can also get some more advanced stuff. If I start to drag this edge and keep down the control button, you can see that I can extrude this face. Let me show it again. Control Shift, I click this, I drag, and if I keep down control, I can extrude only this face. Now I can also keep down Alt and get a copy of a sub-object out, or if I want to copy the whole object, I can do this also. I keep down Alt, get from this axis and drag it out. Great tool, very useful, makes some operations really fast. and the sub-object is a great addition to where you can manipulate stuff on an object. Great additions to Rhino 5. That's it for a quick introduction to GUMBALL. You can see a more thorough video on the Rhino's channel in Vimeo. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.